Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Listen and Learn English. It's great to see you again. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Tom, hello. How are you today?
Hey Emma, I'm doing pretty good. Feeling relaxed, actually. What about you? What's up? Anything new?
A few things. I tried a new smoothie this morning. It was green and scary looking, but delicious. How about you? What's new with you this weekend?
Well, I had a little adventure on Saturday. Something simple but fun. I went to the farmer's market.
Oh, that already sounds interesting. I love farmers markets. What happened there?
A lot. More than I expected. I think this weekend was one of my best small adventures in a long time.
Perfect. Then today, we'll tell all of you a warm, friendly story about Tom's weekend at the farmer's market. So relax, listen, and enjoy the conversation.
My Saturday morning started very peacefully. I woke up early, opened my window, and the weather was perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. And for some reason, I felt like going somewhere. Somewhere simple.
You wanted a soft day, right?
Exactly. A soft day. No stress, no rushing. Just walking slowly, looking around, enjoying life. Then I remembered. There's a farmer's market today.
Nice. It's such a cozy place. Families, music, fresh air.
Yes. So I grabbed my backpack and walked there. When I arrived, the whole street was full of little stands. Fresh fruit, vegetables, homemade bread, jars of honey, flowers.
Hmm, I can already smell the bread.
Me too. And the first thing I noticed was a small bakery stand. I didn't even think. I just followed the smell like a cartoon character.
You and bread have a very strong relationship.
Listen, if bread could talk, it would say I'm its best friend. So I walked up to the bakery stand, and an old man said, "Try this. It's warm."
Warm bread? Oh no. You didn't stand a chance.
Not at all. I took a bite, and it was perfect. Soft inside, crispy outside. I accidentally said, "Wow, I think I love you."
To the bread or the man?
The bread. But the man said, "I'll take the compliment."
Oh, that's adorable.
I ended up buying one loaf, and maybe a second loaf.
A second loaf?
Okay, fine. Three.
Tom,
Then I walked further and heard music. Soft guitar, really relaxing. A young musician was sitting on a small wooden stool, just playing and smiling.
I love when markets have live music. It makes the whole place feel alive.
Exactly. People stopped to listen. A little girl danced. I stood there for about 10 minutes just enjoying the moment.
Did you talk to him?
Yes. During his break, I said, "Your music made my morning better." And he smiled and said, "That's all I want."
Oh, that's beautiful. Small moments like that stay in your heart.
Then I found a stand selling local honey. A very cheerful woman ran it. She said, "You look like someone who needs sweetness in life."
She's not wrong.
She offered me three different types, wildflower honey, mint honey, and something she called morning sunshine honey.
Which one did you buy?
All of them.
Tom, again?
Listen, Emma, life is short. Honey is delicious.
Fair point.
Next, I visited a fruit stand. And this is the funny part. There were so many colors. Red strawberries, purple plums, yellow peaches, green apples.
I can imagine you standing there like, I want everything.
That's exactly what I looked like. The seller said, "You can take a mixed basket." So I did.
How big was the basket?
Let's just say I carried it with 2 hands.
Tom!
Hey, I shared some with neighbors later. I'm not a monster. While I was walking back, I sat on a bench for a moment. A grandmother sat next to me and said, "The market is full today."
Grandmothers always start the best conversations.
True. We talked for about 10 minutes. She told me she comes every Saturday just to feel the world.
Wow. That's such a poetic way to say it.
Yes. And she said something I really loved. Busy weeks make our hearts tired. Simple days make them strong again.
That's so beautiful. I'm going to write that down. This reminds me of a day I had last year. I went to a farmer's market too, but a bigger one. And something funny happened.
Oh, tell me.
I was walking around when I saw a stand selling homemade cheese. The lady asked if I wanted to taste it. I said yes, of course. But the cheese was so strong. I tried to keep smiling, but my eyes were tearing.
You cried because of cheese?
Yes. And the lady said, "Oh, this one is not for everyone."
That makes it sound like a dangerous cheese.
It was. But the rest of the day was wonderful. I bought flowers, bread, and fresh orange juice. Just like you said, simple days are the best.
After the market, I walked home slowly. My backpack was full of fruit, bread, honey, and my heart felt very calm.
I love that feeling. When you're not in a hurry, just enjoying the day.
Yes. And I realized something. We forget how good simple moments can be. Good weather, friendly people, fresh food. It's enough to make a whole day better.
Well, friends, that was Tom's little weekend adventure. A simple story, but full of beautiful moments.
Thank you for listening and spending time with us. We hope this story helps you relax while learning English.
If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. This helps Listen and Learn English continue growing and making more friendly stories for you.
Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye there, friends.